Hey, assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome back to the Pepe video update. We nearly met my technical target. Let's go back for a rewind.
Very big lot. This is like 300 kg. Okay, so will you be able to carry 300 kg? And this is you who is just 70 kg. You're not going to be able to carry 300 kg except if you're really bulky and you have strength training from the gym. All right. And on top of you, these three candles that you see is a 300 kilogram weight of candle, and this is just you being a 70 kg. Are you 70 kg by you're gonna lose weight carrying that 300 kg of? I want to show you. See that Pepe target? Okay, so how you go there? Well, you can just drop down like this. Who knows? Just sell everything. Okay.
Right, so this was a recap, and that's exactly what we did. Okay, right over there. This was yesterday's video, by the way, and you've already come down here. And I think you didn't really touch the target. This is the main target, but I'm going to zoom out. And zooming out, this has come down to the demand zone. Now you have one touch here, the second touch right there, and this is another third touch. This yellow rectangle that you see is a very safe area. This is known as a safe area for me. Okay, and if you are going to respect this safe area, you are okay. There's no any problems. But if, for example, I'm still doubtful because this is still your technical target, this one right over here. Now, can it be met? I'm a little bit doubtful. It should be met, however, because that's the pattern that we have. We came down, and when you came down, you make this bear flag, and that's where you actually have the target. But now let's say this candle that is about to be printed out, I'm just going to decrease the opacity a little bit more, like that. Now, the candle that you see here, this one right over there, is like a dragonfly doji, and it closes in the next 14 minutes. Okay, and you might start to pump back up again because this is a very good candle at the moment. Now let's look at the 4-hour time frame as well. If you look at the 4-hour time frame, that's the historical best place for buying Pepe. One touch here, move up, one touch there, move up, and right now this is another touch, you have another touch. So basically you are respecting the support. But let's say, for example, you end up breaking below here. So what I'm going to say is the following: put a stop loss at this area. That's going to be 7,496. So if you start to come down to 7,496, hit your head on this, turn this support into resistance, which is the yellow box, the safe area. That's it. Boom. 5,500 is your next technical target. Right now it's positive. As long as you hold support the coin. If it loses support, don't support the coin. Very simple. And thank you again. This was another good prediction. If you got some profits out of it, enjoy. And yeah, Signals private channel, it closes in the next 4, 5, 6 days. Again, if you want to be a part of it, you can be a part of it, and you can take amazing trades that we're taking as well. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.